Alright, so for quiz 7, we have a 15-foot ladder that is 10 feet from the wall, moving at a steady rate of 1/4 of a foot per second. So I used the formula of a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and I subbed in my b and c, which is 10 and 15, and then I got a squared plus 10 squared equals 15 squared. Now if I expand that, that's a squared plus 100 equals 225. Now to get the a squared alone, I subtracted 100 from both sides to get a squared equals 125. So now, to get the squared part out of the a side of it, you square root the a squared and the 125 to cancel out the square over there, and you'll find that a is sitting at 11.2 feet. So now, moving down, we have 2 times the height of the change over height over change over time plus 2 times the base times the change over base and the change over time. So I subbed in what I had, so we knew that the height was 11.2 and the change over height and change over time plus 2 times 10 times negative 0.25, since it's 1/4 of a foot per second, set to 0. And then I plugged everything in from there and then did some multiplying and found that 2 times 10 is 20 times negative 0.25 will eventually give me to negative 5 down here. So then 2 times 11.2 equals 22.4, and then once I added the 5 to both sides, I would have 22.4 times the change over height over the change over time equals 5, divided 22.4 by both sides, and then found that the change over height over the change over time equals 0.22 per second.